Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's episode of the Refrigeration Industry News Roundup. I'm your host, Elena, and today we have some exciting updates to share with you from the world of conditioning, refrigeration, storage, and freezing of food, medicine, and pharmaceuticals. Let's dive in. First up, Daikin Applied has introduced the Model SWP-J Vintage, the latest generation of its self-contained HVAC system. This new system is perfect for floor-by-floor applications and features the highly efficient and environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant. With a modular design, it's easy to install and maintain, making it ideal for residential high-rise and mid-rise office buildings. The SWP-J Vintage aims to streamline installation and operation while delivering top-notch efficiency. Daikin's commitment to decarbonizing the HVAC industry is evident as they lead the way with advanced technology and sustainable solutions. Next, Daikin Industries is set to unveil an innovative ice cool spot at the 2025 World Expo in Osaka, Kansai. This rest area will combat the summer heat using natural energy and ice phase change technology, providing visitors with a refreshing environment. Inspired by traditional Japanese ice storage rooms, the ice cool spot features solar panels and eco-friendly materials. This unique installation will be located in Progress Square at the Expo site, showcasing Daikin's innovative approach to air conditioning and their dedication to sustainable solutions. Moving on, BITZER recently welcomed 8 new trainees at their Schkeuditz site in August 2024. These future industrial mechanics and mechatronics technicians have just begun their vocational training and can look forward to a promising career within the company. BITZER emphasizes the importance of investing in young talent and offers numerous opportunities for growth and development. With over 3 decades of consistent talent recruitment, BITZER continues to strengthen its position as a leading employer in the refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pump technology sector. In other news, LiquidStack has launched the High-Performance Coolant Distribution Unit, CDU-1MW. Compatible with various commercial direct-to-chip solutions, the CDU-1MW is now available for global shipment. This unit is designed for advanced computing applications like generative AI and high-performance computing, addressing the growing demand for liquid cooling in data centers. With high efficiency, robust design, and universal compatibility, the CDU-1MW caters to hyperscalers, colocation services, and large-scale enterprises. LiquidStack continues to lead the market with cutting-edge liquid cooling solutions. Finally, Carrier Transicold has introduced a new maintenance dashboard for its Lynx fleet telematics platform. This feature allows users to create customized preventive maintenance schedules for their transport refrigeration units based on real-time performance data. The dashboard provides easy access to essential information and enhances communication with dealers for seamless maintenance scheduling. Carrier Transicold's innovative approach helps users manage asset performance more efficiently, ensuring optimal operation and longevity of their equipment. And that's a wrap for this week's refrigeration industry news. From innovative HVAC systems and cool Expo features to promising career opportunities and groundbreaking cooling solutions, the industry is buzzing with exciting developments. Don't forget to visit our website, refinedustry.com, for full articles and more updates. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay cool.